Good morning, everyone. My name is Shuvranshu Oja. I am pursuing my post graduation from SAS Institute of Management. My current topic is Steve Jobs. The art of persuasion. Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs was a co-founder of Apple Inc. and Pixar. He mostly communicated in a very bold and minimalistic style, and his goal was to not just communicate to inform, but he wanted to communicate to convert listener into believers. The core strategy Jobs used mostly the rule of three. What is the rule of three? The human brain process information best in group of threes. This is the concept. He used this concept in 2007 iPhone launch as a phone which will be an iPod and a phone and an internet communicator. It means that you can use that iPhone as a iPod for listening music, you can use it as an internet communicator to access internet, and you can normally use a phone as a phone call. And during iPod launch, he also used same strategy, as he put iPod in a third category in between phone and a laptop. Laptop was one category, phone was another category, and the third category he made during launch was an iPod. So he used basically three concept, three rule of product always. The managerial takeaway structure, you report and meet around three key pillars to increase retention. Communication. Eliminate noise. Jobs famous heated bullet point, he used one image one sentence slide. Whenever he communicate to other person, he always use one image on his background when he speak about that certain product. The user centric language, he related technical jargon into emotional benefits. For example, if a technical term is 5 GB storage, he used the job as 1,000 songs in one pocket during the iPod launch. Application advice. As a manager, simplifying complex data so every stakeholder understand the why of the product. Managing conflict and high standards. Radical condor. Job was known for blunt, sometimes harsh feedback, the communication gap. By using extremely direct, he eliminated ambiguity. His term always knew exactly where they stood. Eccentric. Discussing the balance between directness and empathy is the modern work. The one more thing strategy. People remember the last thing they hear most vividly. He always use a closing a presentation with a surprise or a massive bonus features. Always use the bonus features which will attract the people at the last of everything. Save your most inspiring or important call to action for the very end of your communication. Conclusion and key takeaway. Prepare meticulously. For example, job rehearsed for hundreds of hours before any interviews. Sell the vision, not the task. Managers should always inspire, not just instruct. Design matters. How you present information is an importance as a information itself. Thank you.